So let's do a trade breakdown on GU. And just before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon Kai contents, I have all the things that you need to start trading the way that I trade, right? The first thing is the Falcon mechanics, the 4 hour, the reward, the AFD, the fast webinar, and the most important one is the hybrid trading, right? So if you guys don't have it, and if you guys want some a specific one, all you have to do is just message me there, and you'll get all those contents for a small price, for a small fee. All right, let's break down this trade. As we can see, we got right from this point of value, and we move to the downside, right? As we move to the downside, we have a lots of structure, a lots of trades that would have taken if you know how to actually identify those structure, right? So impulse, correction, impulse, impulse, correction, impulse, and the trade that I took is right up there, and I think I include these trades. I break down this trade on my Sunday market breakdown also. As you can see, we go right there from this point, right? So it has added an additional risk into this trade. That's why no risk entry is allowed. And the good thing about is that trading right beneath this low, right, which again decreases the risk a little bit, right? Let's move to the 1 hour time frame. Why? Because I can actually see the structure on the 4 hour time frame. That's why I have to move to the 1 hour time frame. As we can see, as I move to the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see the structure. Here we go. Impulse, correction, impulse. Let's zoom in a bit and see what's going on there. As we can see, first touch, second touch, and then third touch, right? First touch, second touch, third touch. We got the rejection candle right up there. Yes, you can actually take the risk entry, but the thing is that it has also directed from this point, right? So longs are still valid, and it can simply go to the upside, go directed from this point, and then move to the downside, right? That may happen, right? So to mitigate that risk, we have to wait for an insurance entry, and in this case we get an insurance entry, as we can see here. Impulse, correction, impulse. The rejection was too big to get in, or if you guys know how to actually trade the falcon strategy at an advanced level, you will set an entry right beneath here, and your stop loss will be around there, right? That's how I set my entry and got out for like 5%. That's it. I'm happy with the 5%. That's it. 5 to 1, 5%, 3%. You have to stack up those things, right? And we can look for the next trade from there. As we can see again, we are trading beneath this low. But the thing is that I think we have already completed this run, right? Impulse correction, impulse. So this might be a bit riskier trade, right? So don't try to force things out, right? Well, there is another entry right up there. So yeah, if you guys, let's suppose if you miss this trade right up there, we get the second trade right up there, right? And also a third trade right there. So you don't have to worry about the, let's suppose you miss that first two things. So you don't have to get FOMO and like thinking, "Oh, I missed this trade." So the thing is that if you know how to actually trade the way that the coaches trade, that the way that I trade, you'll not get FOMO, and you'll actually wait for the right thing. You'll actually stick with the plan, right? And then you'll get the result, as we can see here. So this kind of entry will be taught in the hybrid trading also. So yeah, thank you guys.